Welcome back, friends. How good is your knowledge of universe? Take this easy quiz test to find out, and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative quizzes like this. Let's start with the first question. What is the closest planet to the Sun? Awesome! Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Which planet has rings? Incredible! Saturn is the planet with rings. What is Earth's natural satellite? Great pick. It's the Moon. What star gives us light and heat? Nice choice. The Sun gives us light and heat. Which planet is called the blue planet? Amazing! Earth is called the blue planet. So somehow, what shape is the Milky Way galaxy? Fascinating! This is a spiral galaxy. Which planet is furthest from the Sun? Well done! Neptune is furthest from the Sun. What is the smallest planet? Excellent! Mercury is the smallest planet. What planet is known for its red storms? Great pick! That's Jupiter. What planet is tilted on its side? Nice choice! Uranus is tilted on its side. What is the biggest moon of Saturn? Amazing! Titan is Saturn's biggest moon. Which planet has the most moons? Incredible! Saturn has the most moons. What is a shooting star? Great answer! A meteor is a shooting star. What planet has the Great Red Spot? Awesome! Jupiter has the Great Red Spot. Which planet is the coldest? Well done! Neptune is the coldest planet. Which planet is called Earth's twin? Fascinating! Venus is called Earth's twin. What is the speed of light? Brilliant! Light travels at 300,000 km/s. What is the closest galaxy to the Milky Way? Great pick! Andromeda is the closest galaxy. What is the Sun made of? Amazing! The Sun is mostly hydrogen. How many planets are in our solar system? Nice! There are 8 planets in the solar system. What is the name of a dying star? Incredible! A supernova is a dying star. What do we call an icy space rock? Well done! A comet is an icy space rock. What planet has the highest mountain? Great! Mars has the highest mountain, Olympus Mons. What is the Moon's gravity compared to Earth? Excellent! It's 1/6. What is a light year? Fascinating. A light year measures distance. So how much right answer did you guess? Let us know in the comment box. And make sure to like and subscribe for more exciting quizzes like this. Stay happy and keep learning.